All right, guys, it's Ed. It's been a couple of hours. We are heading back into the service department to check on the 2022 Honda Pioneer Forest Edition that is getting its heat installed. We are getting this. Check it out. So I'm gonna try and get as close to this as possible and break it down for you guys. So we have right here, this is the box that generates the heat. This is where it sucks in from. You can see right here. This is where the air comes in. The air goes in through there. Same thing, it goes in through there. And then it actually goes out through here. So it's going out through there. This is the heater system. And the heat is coming out through here to the customer. It's going out here. And it's actually coming out of here, the floorboard. It also has a defrost for the window. So that's pretty much it for this system on this unit. But you can see the job is already done. Now we are on to the next accessory. And check it out, you have here the power. You can choose how much heat you want. Okay, the power of air that goes through. If you want it to the top and the bottom, if you want it here, it shows a little picture of the window and the top, or if you look up here, you see it shows the windshield and the feet. But this is actually very cool, very interesting to see the Pioneer in this setting. Check it out. So this is actually your air box. This is where your original air for the motor comes in. It actually breathes through the front. So this right there, you see, that's like where the engine breathes, and it connects here to the front headlight. This is the front bumper. All right, guys, if you think this video is cool, smash that like button, subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos once they start putting the rest of the stuff on. But you can see this thing is in 1,001 pieces. All right, thanks for watching, guys.